Let's go. Oh.
While we still have time, we will announce again later on when the gates are open, so please stand. Yes, and this. Here we go.
Let's go. Your basket. Oh, ay outside pala. Mina lang. Nakalimutan na.
Mina? Mina. How old are you, Mina? 5. Enjoy!
Thank you. You like? Go ahead. Sige, go. There. Sige, go. Hold. You can hold it, baby.
Okay, like this one.
Wow. Okay. Sige, Mina. It's okay. Hi. Oh. I'll hold you.
Eggy.
Oh, in case full stop na ang pits, while we still have time, pwede mag-chill sa ball pit. Pwede mag-draw. Okay lang. Okay, get ready. So it's only the kids. And kids, just enjoy. They take extra care. Kids, while enjoying the moment. So we will announce again later on when the gates are open, so please stand by the parents and as is now. Go! Come on kids, when you're done with your hand, you can show your face a bit, no problem, just make sure you surrender your baskets. 10 eggs. And those corrected, be kind to your playmate. Just enjoy the moment. Smile. You can still play. Diba? Why not?
Tapos na. Tapos na.
So, meron na tayo. Congratulations. Meron na rin. Yes, and this. Very, very nice.
Okay, very good, baby. Go there. Here, ay, Mina, wait in line. There. Here's my basket. Oh, here, baby. Here na lang.
So we have to answer my question louder and clear. So we need to find 10. Okay, move sideward here. Okay, let's go. Move sideward here. Hey, so the next one, what's your name? Okay, the next one. The girls. Come on, ready? Come on! I want you to make stand up for the boys and the girls. Come on. Come on, ready? Good.
Gusto niya pero lahat sila umakyat.
Face to the audience, please. Big small skins into the so please. Your toes, your knees, your shoulder, head. So put your hands into your head. What's going on? Where's your head? Where's your head? I need a head. Okay, that's your toes. Your knees, shoulder, head, your toes, your knees. Nahilo na yan pa si ate. Alright, so what will you say to ate? Everyone say that? Yun, this your here. Alright, so everybody clap your hands. So what will you say? Okay, thank you very much for joining ate. Alright, so how many kids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Closer together. The next one is Angry. Happy in everyone. Parang hindi na pa ako ilang. Ilan po yung mga facial expression nila, di ba? Next one, go!
Happy Easter!
Angry.
Happy Easter!
Sad.
Happy Easter!
Okay, next one. Happy.
gutom ulit. Mamaya po, inantok na.
Oo, pala. Hindi na yata kami makapag-search na. Kamakatulog na. Next time na. Si Teacher Margie talaga nakalagay.
In-encourage naman itong isa. Oh no. Sabay.